Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share last month's November 2021's club card kit. I've had it for a while. I've just not found the time to do this. And so here it is. I'm going to take everything out. So as usual, we get envelopes to fit an A2 size card. And we also get this plastic folder to hold all your scraps and your kit. So as usual, we get these inspiration cards. And if you remember, it's been a while, November's Die Hard Club, I will link that here. And it had to do with pockets. And here is the pocket stamp die that we got, and then it also comes with a stamps set as well. And these are some of the samples I made, but you'll see those in that video I linked earlier there. We also got spools of ribbon, the black and white stripe, and then this leather type or faux leather type string ribbon. I don't know what it's called. But that's the two things, and you'll notice everything coordinates. This might not be black. This might be blue. We have some jewels. They're like, they look like water droplets, kind of. They're smooth dome shape. I'm trying to get them out of the packaging so I can show them to you so that the glare. So we got some of those prettiness. We've got some of these white puffy sticker clouds. Sorry for the crinkling. But we got some of these puffy stickers that are clouds. We also got some of these shaped hearts. Let's see, I'm not sure what type of material. They could be plastic, foam. Yeah, they might be like plastic or resin. Let's see. But they come in an assortment of colors. And they are like resin. Yeah, resin pieces. And so you get 8 of those hearts. We also received a die that says Yippee, and it has a shadow piece as well. So that's the die. We also get a double-sided paper pad, 6x6, 24 sheets. And you can see all the pockets. It goes with the theme. The dies also cut these out as well. Nice quality paper. We also get, or also got, another die. And these are some background dies. It's called A1 Card Grid. So it'll cut out and then you're able to make frames. Oh, there's a shadow piece and a piece that cuts out. You could make shakers. So let me make some samples and I will be right back. Okay, I've cut this stuff out. I'll show it to you. Let me get through the rest of the items. So we also got, I don't know if these are stickers but there's some kind of sentiments that of course will make your card making easier. Let's see. I think they are stickers. They feel like stickers. Yes, stickers. You were there, and I'm very grateful. It's gold foiling with monochromatic pink. So lots to choose from as far as the sentiments go. And then of course you get 8.5 by 11 cardstock. I believe you get 4 powdered sugar, which is the white. And then you get 7, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 other cardstocks that all coordinate with the rest of the items in the club card kit. So this is how they cut out. I cut the yippee out, the shadow piece, as well as the die itself. And I'm just going to layer it up really quickly. I cut it in teal and white. Just taking my art glitter glue and adding some adhesive. So that's how the yippee cuts out. And here is the reverse. So that's the yippee. How fun, how fun. And then, let me close up this. And then, that card, so the frame cut these out, and it even made the score line. And now you don't have to worry about getting it wrong. You know, there's no overhang because it did it perfect. So let me just fold up the next one. And these are, what size are these? These are 4 1/4 by 3 1/2, it seems like. So they make 4 1/4 by 3 1/2 size cards. And so that was the card. And then this die here and the frame that comes with it, I cut both of them out first, and then I just cut out one of these. So that was using both of them to cut it out. It makes the frame. And then this was just the white piece. And so look at that. Beautiful. And then it also layers nicely on that card base as well. So perfect right there. And then this die here, it cut this out. And it gave me a whole bunch of these flowers in all different sizes. So you can make more card fronts for that that size card. So it's not an A2 size card. Okay, so that card size is called an A1 card size, and this die is called an A1 grid card. So that's an A1 size with 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. So that's what size it is, an A1 card size. And an A2 card size is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Got all of that? So yeah, this is our club kit from last month in November. Stay tuned because I've already got the Die Hard club set for December that I'll be sharing shortly. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you guys are enjoying my 24 days of Christmas Secret Santa swap. It's hosted by Scrappy Tate. I will leave a link here. If you've not been following along, there'll be a playlist. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!